In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a section in Wix Editor with a quick and easy guide. This can be incredibly useful whether you're tidying up your site or just making a few tweaks. So let's dive right in and make it simple for you to remove any unwanted section from your Wix site. First off, you'll need to head over to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to make custom changes and personalize your website. Simply log into your Wix account and select the site you're looking to edit. If you're not familiar with the editor, it's a user-friendly tool designed for easy website management without needing to be an expert in web design. Once your site is open in the editor, you're ready to start editing. Now, navigate to the section you wish to delete. This could be any part of your site, maybe an outdated info box or an extra gallery that no longer serves its purpose. To select the section, just move your cursor over it until you see a blue outline indicating it's been selected. Be sure to double-check that you've highlighted the correct section. It's always good to be certain before any deletions to avoid removing something by mistake. After the section is selected, your next step is to click on the More Actions button. This is usually represented by three little dots, which is a common user interface design choice to indicate a drop-down menu with additional actions. Clicking it will bring up a range of options related to the section you've selected. It's important to familiarize yourself with these because understanding the tools available to you can make your website management much smoother. Now, in the menu that appears, you will see the Delete option. Go ahead and click on it. This action will remove the section from your page. It's as straightforward as that. Deleting is permanent, so ensure that the section you're deleting isn't something you might want back later. However, if you do make a mistake, Wix often allows for undo actions immediately after changes, so you have a little safety net. And that's all that there is to it. You've successfully removed a section from your Wix site. This process is designed to keep your editing as intuitive as possible, ensuring that managing your site is never a hassle. Feel free to explore more of the Wix editor features to enhance your website's design even further. Happy editing, and thanks for tuning in.